Hi, I'm Eric Allen at EdenBrothers.com, and welcome to one of America's favorite flowers, black-eyed Susans. Botanically, they're called Rudbeckia, and they're favorite wildflowers all over North America and major color makers in flower gardens. You can choose your seeds from about 10 varieties from short to tall. All give you weeks of color every summer with almost no work. The one in this garden is the most popular. It's Rudbeckia hirta, actually a biennial, which means it grows only 2 years. But it recedes so heavily it's in bloom summer after summer. Another huge favorite is the famous Gloriosa daisy, which is a perennial. It's a little taller with huge flowers and a beautiful mahogany flame on every petal. Like all these, you can plant just a patch or a whole field and enjoy the show. Remember, all of our seeds are available by the packet or by the pound. Many black-eyed Susans are annuals, and you can plant in spring or fall. Either way, the annual types will be up and in bloom their very first summer. As with most wildflowers, simply remove all the weeds and break up the soil. Then scatter your seeds on the surface, don't cover them, and compress them into the soil, and then water well. That's it. That's all you do. Heights range from 4 feet for the perennial Gloriosa daisy to the dwarf rustic mix at only 2 feet. All are super easy to grow. You'll also find plenty of black-eyed Susans in our all-perennial wildflower seed mixture, which is our best seller. Don't go another year without a big show of one of America's favorites, the beautiful, bright yellow, black-eyed Susan. I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.